If you're experiencing login issues on UnoTelly, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. Some VPNs can interfere with the login process on certain platforms. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to UnoTelly's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on UnoTelly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.